Fully active my father here. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. I hope everybody is okay. We active again. I did tell you it was active. I did tell you I was going to be active again in the kitchen, and I am living up to my promise. We're back in the kitchen today, people. Today we are making Bigga and candy ice lollies. That is it. It's getting to the summertime now in the UK. So I thought, you know what? Let's make some ice lollies. Let's get creative with it and put some candy with the ice lollies. So we've got some candy and we've got some different flavor of Biggas. So we're gonna make some ice lollies today, people. A good vibes. You can do this at home. Find the Biggas, or you could use any other drink you like. I'm not sure if it's gonna actually work, but I just had an idea. Again, I'm back on this creative cooking thing, people. The music is still there. Everything is just running nicely. Do you know what I'm saying? Fully active, my father. As you can see, people, we've got some different flavors of Biggas. Yes, we have got fruit punch. We've got grape. We've got pineapple, and we've got ginger beer. Yeah, and the candy that we're going to be using is we're going to be using some Sour Patch Kids, and we've got some different flavors of Nerds as well. Watermelon and cherry, grape and strawberry. And this is our ice lolly makers. So basically what we're going to be doing, fill up our ice lollies with the stuff, put the candy in, and then kind of like put it to an angle like that so the sweets will kind of all go around it, but we will get to that in good due time. Bigga and candy ice lollies today, people. Woy yoy. So what we're going to do, people, is we're going to separate the Nerds from the packets. Can't be able to open them out. All right, to this side. What is this side? This side must be grape or strawberry. So. As you can see, we've separated the Nerds, well, kind of anyway. Yeah. So we've got all our different candy. We've got our Sour Patch Kids. Let's get a bowl and put them in a bowl, actually. That is it. Good vibes. We've got our Sour Patch Kids, and we've got all our Nerds ready, and we've got our Biggas ready. So we are ready to start. That is it, people. So let's get active. Right, so we've got some different colors here. We've got 4. So first of all, we're gonna start with the fruit punch. Yeah? Okay, so let's open up this. Actually my favorite flavor, people. So we're gonna fill that up inside there. Make sure we get rid of the fizz. Good vibes. All right, now we're gonna put, I think we're gonna put some of this one in there, which I believe might be the watermelon or strawberry or something like that, but we're gonna, oh, we made it fizz. There we go. A good amount of Nerds in there. Good vibes, people. And then we're gonna add a few Sour Patch to this one as well. I think this might make it fizz up, actually. Yeah, it did. A little bit. Put them in there. Oh, we might have an overflow there. We might be all right. I think we're good. All right, so now we've got that one done. We're just gonna put the lid on that. There's the first one. Our good vibes, people. As you can see, hey, look, come on the side there. You can see the sweets inside. Oi, oi, our first one, fruit punch. Okay, next one we're gonna go for, I believe that's blue. I'm actually colorblind, people, but grape. Yeah, we're gonna go for the grape one next. I bet these are gonna taste actually really, really nice. So Let's go in. Be great. Good vibes. And we're gonna add the grape nerds to that. Get the lid on that. So I'll get them in there. Now we're gonna add some Sour Patch Kids. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit of an overload. That is okay. The lid on this one might be a little bit of an overflow, but that's okay. There we go, secured. We now have a fruit punch and a grape ice lolly. Now we're gonna go for the pineapple, people. Good vibes. That's the pineapple one. Cool different colors as well, which is good. I'm not gonna fill up as much as I did that last one. Good vibes. Now I can't remember what Nerds flavors this was. I can't even remember, but it looks like a good color to fit with the pineapple anyway, so get them in there. Right, now we're gonna get some Sour Patch Kids in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good vibes. Lid on. And the last one, ginger beer. Let's go. Good vibes. Ginger beer. This will probably be my one, definitely, because I doubt the kids are gonna like a ginger beer ice lolly, but I'm sure I will. Let's see what color we get in here. Okay, it's a kind of different color still. The pink one to go in there. Get some nerds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Secure the lid. Bosh! And there we go. We have 4 ice lollies. We've got ginger beer, we've got pineapple, we've got grape, and we've got fruit punch. Our good vibes. Oh, our good vibes. They are gonna rest in the freezer now. I don't know how long they're gonna take, but we'll probably just leave them for a good couple hours anyway. Our good vibes, people. Bigga ice lollies. It is the next day, people. And there we go. There is our Bigga ice lollies. Look at that. You can see all the sweets and the nerds at the bottom. Oh, you know what? Let's bring them out and have a look. Our good vibes. As you can see, the fruit punch one there, the grape one there, pineapple, and the ginger beer. You can see all the sweets in there. All right, we just got to get them out of the molds now. Our good vibes. It's the moment of truth, people. It is the moment of truth. Is this gonna work? Are we gonna have a fruit punch? Bigga ice lolly. Yes, we are. Look at that. Look at all the sweets at the top of it. Oh my days, that looks so nice. A good vibe, people. It worked, man. Look at that. A Bigga fruit punch and candy ice lolly. Look at that. A Bigga candy ice lolly. You can see the Sour Patch Kids in there, the nerds at the top there. This is fruit punch. Yeah. We've got grape and everything in there as well. Good vibes, people, man. Let me try it. Taste time, people. Oh my God, the end just looks... Oh my God. That is so good. I got a Sour Patch Kid. Oh my God. That is so good, people. Fruit punch was my favourite as well. You can do this with any drink at home. Get creative. Any candy. A good vibes. I'm going to let the kids try them now. And a good vibe. Bigga ice lollies. That is it. Gonna try the grape one now, people. Oh, yes. Look at that. That one looks amazing with the grape nerds and everything in there. Oi, oi. The grape one is 10-10. Oh my days. They're all 10-10. Honestly, they're all 10-10. And the last one, ginger beer with pink nerds. Wow. Look at that. Let's give it a try. Wow. Now that is the most surprising one of all of them, because the sweets and everything has changed the flavour of the ginger beer. That is surprisingly really, really nice. People, try it at home, man. I'm gonna let the kids eat the rest of these and do their thing. Good vibes. Fully active, my father. Hear that? People, leave a comment or a like in the comment section for your chance to get a big up. We active again, the people. You think a chatty thing? We active. Hear that? Welcome to the big up section. Just do the right thing if you haven't already. Press that like button, subscribe, like, comment, and share with the good things. This week's big up, people. Big up. Linda Pestridge 3073 says, thank you for taking a photo of you and me at Queenborough petrol station the other day. You are so polite and genuine. I will treasure the photo. Ah, that's nice. Big up yourself. I hope you treasure the picture. You get me our good vibes, man. Also, big up Benin Twistle 8844 says, madness, been waiting for these cooking videos. Such a good vibe. Keep them coming. That is it, people. I know I slacked on the cooking videos for a little while, but we are active again, as you can see from today's episode, last week's episode, and so on and so on. I know I missed Sunday this week. Busy shows at the weekend. Try my best. Bear with me. Do the right thing. And I'll see you very soon. Big up.